If your skin has become dull and lifeless, then you need to turn to natural ingredients and Mother Nature's recipes and remedies that can help you get rid of all the problems that you're facing related to your skin. And so to help you with that, we are here with a DIY skin refreshing cream that you can prepare with all natural ingredients right at home and store for about a week and use it at home to get perfectly amazing skin in a few days itself. So watch the video till the end and find out how you can prepare this easy cream.
Start by adding 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. Then go ahead and add a few drops of almond oil and rose water along with 2 capsules of vitamin E. After adding all the ingredients, mix them well to form a fluid cream like shown here. You can then transfer this cream into a glass jar and keep it refrigerated all the time. After refrigerating for about 5 to 6 hours, your cream will be ready to use. Talking about the benefits of all these ingredients, aloe vera gel is known to soothe inflammation and irritation on the skin and is also known to moisturize and hydrate your skin from cellular level. Almond oil gives your skin a naturally white and bright glow, and it also helps in making your skin even and smooth textured. Talking about rose water helps in making your skin supple and soft, and it also gives your skin a pinkish glow. It balances the pH levels of your skin and also helps in making your skin even toned. Finally, talking about vitamin E helps in promoting the overall skin health and also helps in controlling the dryness that happens in the summer season. Now that we know the benefits of all these ingredients, we will tell you how to apply this cream. After cleansing your face with a mild face wash, apply this cream onto your face, spreading evenly and massaging for about 5 to 10 minutes. Your skin will instantly feel super refreshed and hydrated, and once the cream gets absorbed, you will be done with the process. Use this cream every day about twice, and you will notice how amazingly these natural ingredients work for you. People of all skin type can go ahead and use this cream, and then they will know how amazingly Mother Nature works for all of us. So try out this cream and let us know in the comment section down below as to how your experience was while using this amazing DIY cream.